What perturbs my husband, the king?
My queen.
Yes, my king.
The son of a lion is a lion. It's all about our son.
Which of them?
Nero, of course. I'm worried about him.
Why?
Honey, can you imagine that each time I bring up any matter concerning our kingdom, that I don't perceive him being any enthusiastic about the kingdom?
I noticed the same too.
You did?
Yes, I did. Your Majesty, why don't you make him come back to Nigeria so that he can learn how the affairs of the kingdom is being run?
You've made a point. Yes, that is a point. No wonder they say that two good heads are better than one. Yes, I will do that. Thank you. Thank you. We do that.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello? Yes, good day, sir. I was about, just hold on, let me send it to you. I was about sending it. Good. Sir, I'm assuring you, we are going to offer you nothing but the best. Yes. And our company is giving you the cheapest rate. Trust me. A trial will convince you. I'm going to send you the proper quotations. Once you go through it, just let me know. Just notify me. Okay. Sorry, sir. I'm going to call you back. Oh, Mom. Good day, Mom.
Good day.
Sit.
Okay, thank you.
You don't mind?
I'm here for something serious than a glass of...
I hope everything is fine, Mom.
When last did you hear from your brother?
Almost every day. Is anything the matter?
While conversing with him, has he said anything concerning his coming back? When? Or maybe about the kingdom?
Whenever he calls, he asks how everybody is doing and how the kingdom is doing.
And what about his interest over the affairs of the kingdom?
Who am I to meddle into the affairs of the kingdom? He should be discussing that with Dad and not me.
Listen, son. I need you in Nigeria in 2 weeks' time. Yes. Whatever important over there for you is nothing to counter this invitation. There are more important and pressing issues here to be addressed. Yes. No, that is not what we discuss on phone, son. We need your presence here. It's okay.
Did he agree to come?
Honey, he was a bit hesitant. But as a matter of fact, he has no choice.
Of course, he has no choice.
Yes, he must come.
Your Majesty,
Honey?
I have been thinking. Since we are at the verge of preparing our son for the throne, in same vein, why don't we prepare him to becoming a man?
Honey, as a matter of fact, I'm confused. I can't even understand what you mean. Because I am thinking personally that a journey to the throne is also a journey to becoming a man.
Yes, you're quite correct. But in this aspect, I am talking about someone that will succeed me as the next queen of this kingdom. I mean, Vanessa. That girl has waited for so long.
And then now I know where you're coming from, okay? And you are right. You're right. So how long have you heard from her?
It's quite an age.
Oh, no. No. I don't think we should have any reason to further the delay. Delay is dangerous. Okay? Hi. Now that girl has already been groomed for royalty.
Exactly.
And she's a reliable girl. Yes. You know what? Try to reach her. Tell her we are now prepared for her. Please.
Are you pondering what I'm pondering?
Of course, yes. Yes, that is a very wonderful thought.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Hi.
Please, can we cheer to this wonderful
Why?
progress?
Why? It's worth it. Yes.
Honestly, my queen, it's been long I spoke with him.
Why? No, Vanessa. That's where you got it wrong. You should be communicating with him regularly. You know you have a common destiny to fulfill. Yes.
I don't know, my king. Maybe he doesn't want me anymore.
Don't say that. Our son loves you. Remember, you are the love of his youth.
Well, I doubt so because, I don't know, every time I tried calling him, he's either busy or I will meet his voicemail. And even when I drop messages for him, he doesn't even return my calls or return my messages. So,
Oh, my daughter, I'm really sorry about it, okay? But you should understand one thing. All those our young men out there, how they toil day and night, in fact, around the clock to make ends meet. Okay? It is not easy with them. He may not purposely be ignoring your calls. Please.
I doubt so, my king. Because right now, I don't know what to think of. I'm beginning to think he's avoiding me. Because why will I always meet his voice note? It makes me feel that it's like he permanently stored or saved my number to the voice machine.
Sweetheart, you need to quit insinuating. Okay? Like I said earlier, our son loves you.
And please, I want to add here. I will take it up to myself. I will call him. Okay?
Thank
All
you.
the lapses will stop.
Thank you, my king. Thank you, my queen.
It's well with you. You're welcome.
This is reassuring. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good to see you again.
Same here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I guess you are here awaiting his arrival.
Who's arrival?
Nero, of course, the love of your life.
You don't say. Nero is coming? How come no one told me?
Why are you surprised? He didn't tell you.
At this point, I'm beginning to lose faith in your brother. Because I just spoke with him on the phone and he never said he was coming. What's going on? If not that you told me now, Where would I have heard it from? This is not fair. And come to think of it, I just spoke with your parents not quite long, and they did not tell me that. Why? What's happening?
Maybe they wanted to surprise you. Oh, gosh. I just spoiled everything. They would have told me, so I'll play along.
Play along what?
Oh,
But it's fine. At least I'm hearing it from the horse's mouth now. So Mary's coming? Are you serious? But they should have told me.
I know.
He's your brother. And you both are like best of friends. Right?
Sure.
Now I need you to tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Truth about.
About your brother. See, I know you speak with him all the time on phone. I don't know. Does he talk about me? Does he say things? Like, is there anything about me that still excites him? Do you think he still loves me?
Vanessa, how can you say a thing like that? He still loves you.
I'm not sure. I speak with him on phone all the time. His attitude towards me on phone says otherwise. I'm not sure he loves me.
See, Vanessa, I am telling you this now without fear or favor. Nero still loves you. Let's just say his job is taking a toll out of his emotions.
Oh, please, now don't even say that to me. What emotions? Listen, action, they say, speaks louder than words. Everybody in this palace just patronizing me. This one will say this one will say. But I am the one speaking to this man. I can tell you categorically that he doesn't feel anything for me.
See, no one is patronizing you here.
Oh, please, everybody are even you are doing it right now. You're patronizing me.
Vanessa, you know what? Soon he will be in the country and you will testify it by yourself.
I don't want to wait till he comes back. I want to feel it while talking to him. Maybe you can talk to him for me with you. Please.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I hope all is well.
No, who? Sit.
Okay.
No,
My king.
it is said that Amberede nyere dike, mana mberede ka eji ama dike. Si na-eme ngwa ngwa meghara ọdachi. I invited you here for you to join hands with me to begin to teach my son, the prince, the ways of our life. To teach him the traditions and culture of our land. To teach him how to become a great leader. That is why you are here.
My king. You speak like one whose life is hanging on a thread. I hope all is well.
No, my life is not hanging anywhere. I am sound, physically and spiritually. Mentally, I am okay. I just want us to begin to do this because there is no time on our side. I want us to begin now. You get me right?
My king, yes, but sorry if I may ask. Which prince are we all talking about?
Oh, no. No. You want to sweep me off the ground. Peradventure, I am not here. Are you telling me you don't know where to start? Oh, all right. We are talking about Prince Ikem Nero.
My king, the boy we are talking about left this village at his youth. Are you sure the Western world has not changed his sense of reasoning? Are you still sure he will be interested in our culture?
Oh, no. The son of a king is a king. No matter the time, no matter where he goes, he remains a king. It is his birthright. It is his destiny.
My king, don't blame me. It's because of this they are saying that he can only take a horse to the river, but to force the horse to drink the water. I hope you understand what I'm talking about.
No. You are prepared today to bombard me with questions and the rhetoric proverbs. That is good. But I wish to let you know that if it is about drinking water, I will make Prince Ikemnero to empty an ocean.
No problem, my king. But the prince in question is not around. So how do we begin?
The prince will be here tomorrow. Have you heard me clearly? Now tell me, are you ready to do what I asked you to do or not?
My king, when the gods saddles on us responsibilities, who are we to disobey? Of course not.
Despite the fact that Prince Nero is coming today, no one has deemed it fit to let me know. What are they hiding? Are they going to get him a wife? What if that woman is not me? Is the assurance to me a bit to put my mind at ease, just to avoid chaos? Yes, I know what to do. And if they don't stop me, then all hell will let loose. It is either Prince Nero or nothing.
Sit.
Your Majesty,
Yes.
where are the canopies and the royal Wakanda? Oh, pardon my thoughts. They must have joined the convoy to welcome Prince. What about the Council of Chiefs and the praise singers? I didn't see any of them.
And no, we need no such things. We don't need Okanga. No, the canopies. The prince demands that he comes in quietly.
Hey,
We have to respect his decision.
my king, I said it. You see what I've been talking about? I'm not sure that this boy still wants things done traditionally. No one born of royalty will journey away for a long time without a welcoming ceremony. Not even you.
No, don't forget this is a mere ceremony, not a ritual. Like I said, we need to respect his decision.
Okay, my king, if you say so.
Vanessa,
My queen.
where are you going with your box?
My queen, I have an urgent call.
Urgent call? Tell me, what is the problem? Won't you at least stay to welcome your husband to be?
Prince is coming.
He didn't tell you?
No, he didn't. Nobody told me he's coming.
Oh, it's okay, my daughter. Please forgive us, okay? I thought he must have called you.
No, he did not.
Please stay, at least to welcome him, okay?
But my
There's no but there. As the queen of this kingdom, do this for me. When he comes home, we shall talk this over, okay? Thank you.
Brutus, they're here? Open up the gate for them, quickly. My queen! He's here. Wow! My son has grown a man! Happy to have you back.
Hi, Dad. Happy to
You're
see you.
welcome. It's a pleasure, my
Yes,
dear.
yes. You look very healthy.
Oh, why not? Just look at me. I'm sound.
How are you, sir?
You're welcome.
Welcome home,
Thank you
sunshine.
very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Don't tell me you don't recognize him any longer.
No, I'm not sure. I don't
At
know.
this very short period of time of your being outside there, he is there to know the Prime Minister of this kingdom.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How was the journey?
It was good. It was good.
Oh,
How are you, sir?
I'm good.
How's your family?
I'm good.
That's
Oh,
good.
great. Where's my mother?
Your mother will soon be here.
Oh, great.
She's there.
Oh, she is? Where she is?
Look at her coming, guys.
Oh. Dad, how have you been?
Welcome. I'm so
to
happy.
see you.
It's a
Happy to see you.
pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Hey, Mama. How are you, Mom? Hello, Mom. Thank you. How are you?
You look good.
Thank you, Mom. Happy to see you.
That's
How have you
good.
been? You alright?
Fine, I'm
Hello.
very well.
How are you? You alright? Yes. Mama, I'm happy to see you.
How did it go?
My trip was well. No, it wasn't. Oh. Dad, I'm
Son.
happy to see you.
Son, it's a pleasure. I'm more than happy.
Yeah, you look very healthy.
Yes, look at me. Look at me. Son, I'm very sound. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
Uh,
So we can go in.
Okay, sure.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Yes. Wow. I'm so happy. Son, once again, you're welcome back home.
oh, thank you.
I hope you're enjoying your food.
Yes, I am. I've missed eating African food.
My prince, don't they have this type of food over there?
Irene, I'm surprised you've grown so tall.
Oh, thanks to Mom and Dad. I'll surely get a compensation from you.
Compensation? What for?
I was on vacation in Dubai when Mom told me you were coming back. So I had to take the next available flight just to see you.
That's great. I must commend you for that.
My prince, you haven't answered my question about the food.
Irene, I promise to compensate you. Alright? That reminds me, what did you study again? I know you told me, but I can't remember.
Biochemistry.
Biochemistry. That's good. Nice.
Do you want more soup?
Dad, I'll be in my room, alright? I need to get some rest. I'm a little bit tired.
You need it after a long flight.
Sure. Alright, see you later.
Okay, son.
Alright.
Amen. Try find out what your son likes to eat. Because he didn't take this. It's a satisfying food. No, but this is his favorite. He'll eat it. He's tired. So I need to.
Hey, you good?
Nero, what was the meaning of what you displayed at the dining?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You don't understand.
No.
You practically snubbed Vanessa out of the discussion. What is going on?
I still don't understand what you're talking about.
Do not pretend that you do not know what I'm talking about. Even if you pretend you don't know what I'm talking about, will you also pretend that you do not know why she's not here with you? Or is it that you don't care anymore?
Nathaniel, I had a long day. I had a long flight. I need to get some rest.
Please, you need to watch your attitude. It is not nice.
Thank you. Can you leave now, please?
I'll be watching.
Shut the door on your way out. Father,
Yes, sir.
is this the reason you asked me to return from the US?
Is that not enough reason for me to return you from the US? Son, why do you act as though you do not know anything about the responsibilities ahead of you? Why?
Father, I am a medical doctor by profession. What could be more important than being responsible for people's lives?
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth, Nero. What is wrong with you? What lives are you talking about? What life is more than the lives of your people? The lives of your subjects, subjects of your own kingdom.
Father, I'm a medical doctor by profession. I have a lot of sick people under my care. Should anything happen to them, I'll be held responsible. And my license as a doctor will be taken away from me.
My prince, let me make it clear to you. You are due to know what is demanded of you as the next king of this kingdom.
I don't understand. My father is very healthy. Oh, Father, are you sick? Is there something I should know?
Must your father be sick before you learn how to take up your responsibilities, how to handle your mantle as a king you are? Now let me tell you, Prince Nero, you are going to remain here for the next 3 months.
What?
Yes, 3 months I said, and I must be the one to tell you when to leave here, back to the United States, and round up with whatever you have there, then come back here finally. Come back home. You are matured to take up your mantle as a king.
Father, do you think it is so easy? Everything I have worked for, my entire hard work towards establishing myself as a medical doctor in the US, you want me to throw away everything? Is that what you're saying?
Nero, listen. Your lectures, your lessons start from tomorrow. No, we'll see you through.
But Father,
I have spoken! Enough!
What could they have discussed that have triggered this anger?
Don't you dare talk to me. You're with them, aren't you?
With them? Sorry, I do not understand what you're talking about.
Nat, you don't understand what I'm talking about. Is that what you said? You knew exactly why our father wanted me back, but you acted ignorant.
Was that what he said?
You lied to me on the phone.
Listen, bro. I was only asked if you were interested in the affairs of the kingdom. And I said we do not discuss such. We don't talk about it, or did we? No, tell me, did we?
How can I leave everything I have worked for because of some stupid tradition? Why should I do that?
Is that why you are angry? See, it is your call, and you cannot run away from it.
This is stupid. This is pathetic.
Son, your father does not hate you. He is preparing you for the greater task ahead.
Mom, do you know what I left behind to come all the way? Have you thought about that?
Nothing is as much important as the throne. Learning the ways of your people.
Yeah, right. What's Vanessa doing here? What is she doing in the palace?
Now another reason I am here. Who was Vanessa to you before you left for the state?
Mom, Vanessa should move on with her life. What we had is in the past. Yes.
Now you're beginning to disgust me. Don't you dare show her that attitude. Since you arrived, you have been showing her nasty attitude. You must be nice to her.
What? I must be nice to her? As what? What's going on here? I must be nice to her? That's actually very funny. That reminds me. Did you say you are a graduate of biochemistry and you have never thought of joining the medical line just like myself?
Actually, I've given it a whole lot of thoughts. But I don't think I can stay far away from mom and dad.
You know, you need to stop this last born syndrome. All right, because you're going to get married pretty soon.
Really soon.
Yeah, you're going to get married.
I'm not ready. Not even in the next 5 years.
So are you trying to say no one comes to ask for your hand in marriage?
I'm not ready.
You're not ready?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. Hello.
Oh. I'll have to leave.
No, it's okay. Sit. Don't worry, sit. I was having an important conversation with my sister. I mean, it's been a while. I did that, so Do you mind excusing us? Maybe I can talk to you later.
No, brother, it's fine.
Hey, sit down. We can talk later, okay? I'm having a conversation with my sister, if you don't mind. Please. Thank you.
Brother, why did you do that?
Where did we stop again?
Ever since he came back, he haven't even given me 1/4 of his time.
Have you bothered to know why?
How can I do that? When he haven't even given me the opportunity to do that. I'm very sure he's avoiding me. He's avoiding me,
How can
yes.
you say that? How can the prince avoid you? I have told you countless times not to insinuate things. Meet him. Let him know that you're going to spend the rest of your lives together. You can't achieve that with this.
I just think I have to leave. I'll leave. I'm obviously not welcome here. I'm not needed here. I'm not wanted here. I have to
Vanessa,
just leave.
I beg you. Give the prince some time to sort himself out. He's passing through some phase now. Okay? Or probably he may be shy. You know, it's been a long time you people are all together.
Shy?
That feeling,
The prince shy? I don't think so. I don't think so. In fact, I'm done with this whole thing. I'm so ashamed of myself right now. It's as if I'm forcing myself on a man. Look at me now. This is not me. I don't do this.
Vanessa, the prince chose you from the onset. And I believe he will never abandon you on the way. I'm very sure of that. Give him some time, please. Okay?
All my life, serving this kingdom, I have never seen anywhere a prince is forced to assume his throne as a king. Not even our neighboring kingdom.
Oh no, did you mention this to my father?
Your father is such a stubborn king. I felt so bad when he told us about the patience you left behind. All in the name of this worthless position of being a crown prince. We shall discuss this with you on the phone.
You know, I tried to talk to my father about this, but he wouldn't listen.
My prince, if I were you, I wouldn't waste any time going back to America. Oh, so like I was telling you, you must recognize the service chiefs that represent different villages in this our kingdom. It's very, very important. Right. You understand what I mean now? So, my king, I greet you.
My own prime minister. How is the lecture going?
Very well.
Love. Son, hope you are well.
Yeah, well.
See you later.
Okay, my king. I hope you understand what I mean.
Be careful what you do, 'cause what goes around will
Father.
surely come back around.
Prince became
I have actually wanted to see you to know how far you have gone with your learning from Ono.
Father, you seem to be in a hurry. Well, nothing much really happened. He said, I'm expected to recognize the Council of Chiefs and also reach out to my people as king. I'm here to do all of that. I only just got started.
That is all?
I mean, that's all for now.
Son, there is something I would want you to do for me and the kingdom. And that's the beginning of your journey as an intending crowned prince. And you must do this before returning to the States.
Father, what could that be?
Receiving the title of Ozo.
Oh, I see. When shall the process begin?
Son, it will begin immediately you have gotten married.
Wait, hold on a second. Father, am I expected to get married before I go back to the States?
Yes, son. You can never attain to that status of Ozo without legally crossing the legs of a woman.
But Father, I haven't told her anything. How would she take this? Like, I haven't proposed to her. What do I...
Son, she's here with you in the palace. All you need to do is to tell her, get her a ring, and that is all.
Father, what the hell are you talking about? Get who a ring? Tell who? What do you mean, get who a ring?
How do you ring? Forever you're the same. I got my sugar in my mind. My mind lifted me.
This is for you.
My mind lifted me.
Vanessa, you are gradually making this place secluded just for you. What is going on?
Please, I want to be left alone.
Come on, you know with me there is never a dull moment. You are not supposed to be here all alone. We're in this together.
Nat, please don't pressure me. Do not pressure me. Else I'll leave this palace for you. Just leave me alone. Like I said, I want to be left alone.
I want you to talk to me. Is it about my brother?
Yes. It's about him. He's been avoiding me. I mean, he's not a child. You should tell me his mind so I can know my fate. He's becoming very childish. I mean...
You should try and understand. You know, currently he's facing a lot of pressure which he didn't bargain for. You know, being a leader is not an easy task.
Oh, please, 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 please. Not. Don't even try to support him. We should be in this together. Work things out with me. Don't do this now. Because that's what you're doing now. You're trying to support him.
No, maybe he doesn't want to bulk you with issues pertaining this kingdom.
Oh, jeez. Nathaniel, I'm not a child. I can read the handwriting on the wall. I know what is going on. I'm just waiting for him to spill it out.
Spill out what? See, you have to stop thinking negatively. Spill out what?
You know it. You know it, Nathaniel. You know the truth.
See, you know what? What about we go for shopping together? Yes? I can see the smile coming up. Feel free. I like that.
This is not, it doesn't have to.
It's okay. Let's just go for shopping. And this is for you.
Long live the king.
Long live my king.
How did the meeting?
He agreed taking the title. But when I told him other things he would do before the conferment of the title on him, his face changed. His countenance changed.
Meaning that he sees himself as too young to get married or what?
He said he's not actually prepared to get married now. But I told him, you have to give her an engagement ring. That is the problem.
How else do they get prepared, Biko Kwano? Eh? Or has he forgotten that Vanessa was groomed for him Or does he need any other ceremony to know that Vanessa is his betrothed?
Something about his reactions give me so much concern. I just pray let it not be what I am thinking about. Because if it is, hell will let loose in this house.
Something like what, my king? Your father told me everything, apart from the marriage you refused obliging to.
Mom, I didn't refuse to get married. Okay? It takes a lot to make a decision about marriage. Besides, people who get married, they plan towards it.
Oh, is that? You don't need to bother yourself. The choice you made in your youth is still waiting for you.
Mom, I completely disagree. What if she's been seeing someone else all this year?
That is what you should have found out instead of trying to avoid her. Or is there anything you're not telling me?
Mom, what I had with Vanessa is in the past. Alright? I'm grown now and I want her to move on with her life.
Then prove to me that you are truly grown by accepting your responsibility. I am giving you 1 week to sort things out. Else,
No,
My king.
I must have to appreciate your efforts, the way you deliver your responsibilities in this kingdom.
Thank you so much, Arida.
I still have one demand to make of you. No,
My king.
inasmuch as you are trying your best to teach my prince, the son of this land, all he needs to know about good leadership, I would want you from now to go into teaching him the nitty-gritties of good leadership. I mean, all it takes to be a good leader in this kingdom.
Mike. Can you do?
No, listen. You eat all. You know what someone passes through before becoming an also titled man.
Why
You
not,
know
my king?
it.
I do.
So what are you talking about?
But my king, if I may ask, what is delaying the ceremony taking place? Because I heard that the groom that was good
Yes.
is very much around.
Yes. The clause there is that the prince says he is not quite ready yet.
At his age. My king, don't handle this wicked close. Make him do it immediately.
No. Do you know why I have confidence in you? I have confidence in you because I know there are certain things that one uses his wisdom to do. When you talk to him yourself, he listens to you. Even if he refuses, there is no cause for alarm. But you know the consequences of anyone saying no to the opinion of the king. I wouldn't like to regret my actions in due time. You understand?
In that case, I will do as you instructed. I heard I will do something. Okay, that
Please, do it for me.
It's not me again. I will.
Be careful what you do. Cause
Yes.
what goes around will surely
we'll do
come
it.
back around.
We'll do it.
right. That's good.
My prince, why would they be forcing you in getting married when you're not ready?
That question exactly. It's not by force, is it?
Never. Never. You have to make your choice in order not to make a wrong choice. I don't see the reason they should bring you all the way from America just to force a woman on you. It's not done.
Can you do me a favor?
Go ahead.
I need you to kindly talk to my father. Tell him to give me some more time. Make him see reasons I should be given some more time. I need time to make a decision.
my prince, don't be offended though. You know, he is your father. And you're his son. Why not talk to him like father and son would? I hope he will understand you more. Diko, oh?
I can see you're a very good sibling to your brother, covering every of his loose ends.
Mom, wait. It has been like that since we were kids. But I do not understand where you're driving at.
Okay, let me put it this way. I saw that you have been trying your possible best to make Vanessa happy, trying to fill the vacuum your naughty brother created. Tell me, what does he want? What is his intentions towards her? Why is he distancing himself from her?
Honestly, Mom, my only concern right now is that the girl in question is beginning to notice all that.
Why was she here? For crying out loud, she's human. Your brother was brought down to Nigeria for the palace leadership. In the course of all that, we found out that getting him a wife is the first process to begin with.
Is he aware of all this?
Yes. Your father told him.
And what did he say?
We are yet to find out. Son, I need you to do something for me. Go close to your brother. Find out his intentions. Do that thing for me, okay? I need to know what his problem is. Please.
Okay, Mom.
All right.
If you have nothing to say, I suggest you get out of this room, because I would love to be alone.
You will love to be alone. Is that all you have to say? Nero, you've been keeping to yourself and be staying all alone ever since you've returned. Do you even have a heart? Do you? This poor girl has been enduring all your nonsense attitude you've been putting towards her.
Shut up? How dare you talk to me like that? Who the hell are you? What do you know about marriage? I am not ready to get married. And that's final.
You're not ready. So when will you be ready? When you clock 100? Nero, for God's sake, you've been keeping someone's daughter waiting for so many years just for you to come back and say you are no longer interested?
I'm under no obligation to get married to anyone. What we had was in the past. What I shared with her was a youthful thing. And it was because of our youthful exuberance at the time.
A youthful fling.
Yes.
Is that what you call it?
Yes.
Were you not the same person that brought this girl here, handed her over to Mom and Dad to prepare her for you? All of a sudden, she's no longer attractive.
I never told you I was going to get married. You need to watch your mouth. Besides, I can tell both of you get along really well. If you care about her so much, why don't you get married to her? Trust me, I'll give you my blessing.
You're such a coward. If you think you're bold enough, go out there and tell it to Dad.
How did it go?
Mom, from the way he sounded, I do not think he loves Vanessa anymore.
How could he? Is he mad? Is that what he told you? Huh.
Mom, you're beginning to blow the whole thing out of proportion. I only said he is not ready yet.
I am ready to deal with that, your stupid and good for nothing brother. How old is he for him not to be ready, for goodness sake? How old is he? Is he stupid? I will deal with him severely.
At the detriment of someone's emotion, Mom. See, I understand what's actually going on. You just need to talk to him. And Mom, the only thing I would suggest for us to do now is to handle this in a pragmatic way. Let's adopt a pragmatic measure and talk to him calmly.
What nonsense! After all these years, hey, how will your father take this?
You're beginning to reason towards my direction. But Mom, mind you, I only said he wasn't ready yet. But don't worry, I will talk to him and make him see reason.
Talk to him, oh. You better talk to him. Because you see this house? It will not be conducive for both of us.
This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love.
Can I?
Yeah, you can. If you're not here to cause more chaos.
I won't. I promise.
It's good.
Thank you. Bro, I want to say I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you.
I hold no grudge. All right?
Thank you. That means you are the same loving and caring brother, right?
Sure.
Good. Oh. Nero, I know what I'm about to say now might trigger your emotions the more, but trust me, it is for the best.
Are you here to talk about Vanessa?
Yes. See, it's just the two of us out here. And I want you to tell me the truth. I want to know why you are avoiding her. Did she do anything wrong to you? Please, bro. If she has offended you in any way, tell me. I promise I will not tell anybody.
I am in a serious relationship with another person.
Who is she? I mean, is it someone we know?
No. She's in the US.
What? Bro, you know mom and dad is not going to find this funny, right?
Seriously, I don't believe we will still be in this country with us right now.
No, you sound very strange. I mean, it's barely 5 days I last saw you. Why do you have such thoughts? Something wrong?
My prince, see, let me tell you. A rat that lives near a pool with full of fire on its tail does not look elsewhere for solution, but to jump inside the pool to quench the fire.
You speak in riddles.
The heat from your king's men, your father, your mother, and everyone around you is enough to push you back to wherever you're coming from. I don't like the way you've been humiliated.
You're right. I should have left a long time ago. But if I do that, I'm going to be breaking a lot of hearts. So I intend to stay back so I can find the answers to some of these puzzles before I return to the States.
My prince, can I ask you a question?
Please go ahead.
See, between this kingdom, which has been in existence since time even before born, and the hospital you have spent so much to build, including the sick ones you left behind to come down here, which one is more important? The throne, hospital? My prince, remember we're talking about human lives.
Honestly speaking, it is more important to save lives.
Exactly my thought. I am not trying to force you to tell you what to do, but you're not going to don't want to do. But use your tongue to come to your teeth. I'm only trying to advise. Brother. Now it's confirmed that the senior prince has less interest on the throne. I will keep convincing him to go back to the state so that I will have the chance to deal with that stupid king. They have held the mantle for too long. When he dies and the Prince Nero refuses to ascend the throne, Prince Natalia cannot be crowned when Nero is still alive. I need to keep Nero alive so that the mantle will not fall on Nathaniel. Yes or no, you are a genius.
What do I do now? I know my colleagues are good doctors, but I'm one of the best. Do I go back to the US? My patients, they need me. It took me a lot to come back to this country. I only wanted to listen to my father. But could Diono be right? Do I listen to him? Should I go back to the States? I think I need to go back to the States. Those sick people over there, they need me.
true love comes from the heart. We don't choose who to love. Love is kindness. Love is kindness.
Here you are.
Love brings to a life. So when you
Hey, what's up, bro?
Good.
feel at home,
Why are you smiling at me? Is everything okay?
Honestly, I envy you, bro.
You envy me? I hope it's a healthy one.
Of course it is. Look at you. You have everything to yourself. Honestly, I wish I were you.
Can you make your tenses clearer?
Good. I think you should call it a quit with your woman over there.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
You have a good wife here. She has been grown to your taste and she knows everything about you. Your likes, your dislikes, your favorite meal, everything, your mood.
And so what?
Just grab the opportunity. Are you the one asking me this? Grab the opportunity. Fine, I know she has not been coming closer to you. Yeah, because she was trained to monitor when to get closer and when to stay away. Just give her the opportunity so she can know you better.
a true love comes from the heart. We don't choose who to love. Love is kindness. Love is kindness. Love brings to a life. So when you are in love with the right person, you will feel
Did she ask you to tell me all of this?
I have eyes and I see everything crystal clear. Grab the opportunity, bro.
Kid bro, I'm not impressed. You need to try harder.
I watch you go into his room in and out at your will.
Yeah, that is true.
Tell me, what is he saying about me?
The truth is, we've been discussing on issues about the kingdom.
Oh, stop this. Just tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. What is he saying about me?
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing. You're lying. You're lying and you know it. You're lying.
I am not.
You are.
a true love comes from the heart. We don't
Honestly, I
choose
hate
who
to lie to
love.
her.
Love is kindness.
I hate to see her angry.
Kindness. Love brings to a life. So when you are
My
in
son,
love with the right person,
there is nothing the eyes can see and the shed blood is not on ears.
But no, I don't intend to break her heart.
She will neither be the first nor the last to have heartbreak.
Our relationship is almost 20 years.
I'm happy you call it a relationship. Marriages for 50 years and above do crash. Talk more of relationship that was bonded with ordinary word. I love you.
You don't understand. You see, I can't look her in the eye and tell her it's over after all these years. It's impossible.
My prince, it's better to say the truth and free yourself from an eternal cave of torment. Yes, that is the right thing to do.
Just like that.
Yes. Or should I just advise you? Travel. Travel back so that the next scholarship you receive from you will be far away. You'll be talking to her far away.
Love is kindness. Love is
Make your choice, my prince.
Love brings to a life, so when you are in love and right
Son,
Father,
you will feel at home.
I believe you might have learned a lot about our kingdom from Ono.
well, I am trying my best, and your no is doing excellently well at it.
Good. I trust him. I know he's the best among his pals. And that is why I chose him.
Oh, I appreciate that, Father.
That reminds me, son. You know, I've been in expectation all this while. I've been expecting to hear an ovation of excitement in the palace.
And I've not gotten it. Why?
What do you mean excitement, Father? What excitement are you talking about?
Son, I'm talking about your proposal to Vanessa.
Oh. Your Majesty, wouldn't that be too sudden?
Too sudden, you said?
Yeah.
I mean, Nero, what have you been learning from Ono? No, what has he been teaching you? Eh? Now listen. Listen and listen good. If I don't hear anything good very soon, I am going to take it my own way. I will do it my own way. I'm not joking. And I'm serious about it.
Why is the cake shape so important to my father? Can't someone else become king? Why is he so much in a hurry? If I reject the offer, what happens?
My prince, I am the Ono of this kingdom. That means I know the tradition. There will be no consequence if you decline to be our next king.
But it doesn't seem like that to me. My father acts like it's a do or die affair if I do not accept the throne.
It's only a bit to let you marry Okeneke's daughter to solidify his relationship with the father. And that will make him to be more powerful and influential.
Wait a second. Are you trying to say that my father is doing all of this for his own selfish interest?
My prince, I must beg you, please. Don't tell him I said so. I'm only telling you this because I like you. Your brother can be the king if you don't want to be.
So if my brother can be king, why is my father doing all of this?
Yes, Nathaniel, your brother did not bring the gold mine, and that makes you special.
Oh. Hmm. Now I understand. I can tell. It's very obvious from his action. I can tell.
Well, my prince, I'm happy that you are beginning to look picture. But remember, always remember the last of the people that kept on the neck.
Be careful what you do.
Can I trust you?
Sure.
Nat, no one must know about this.
Okay, press on.
Nat, I have to go back to the US. if I don't go back? I might lose my job. They'll take my license away from me. Besides, my colleagues are tired of showing up for me. I have to leave. I'm not doing anything here.
Nero, you are unbelievable. So you are more concerned about your license. You are not bothered about mom, dad, even your betrothed here, Vanessa. But Nero, come on. Why are you're being caring for people you don't even know? See, if you travel back to the state, it's going to cause a lot of headache. Especially mom. What about dad? Vanessa, your betrothed. You just want to leave her here and go just like that? It's fine. I won't say much. But I promise you this. It might not be confidential. Just like you wish.
Agnes,
Right.
go to the prince room, tell him the breakfast is set.
All right, Your Highness. My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince!
Oh my God! Where is this girl? Will it take her a whole decade to fetch the prince?
Your Highness, the prince is nowhere to be found.
What?
How? What sort of expensive joke is that?
Well, it is possible he went out for a walk. You check everywhere in this compound, it is possible he is somewhere receiving fresh air.
Fresh air?
Yes, it is possible.
This early morning? All right, go and check.
Agnes, come back. Do not bother yourself. The prince is actually on his way traveling back to the United States.
What? Your Majesty, did you hear that? Are you joking?
Daniel, what are you talking about? Are you serious on what you have just said?
Yes, Dad. It is not a joke. He personally told me that he will be traveling back. As we speak, he is actually on his way to the airport.
He personally told you he would be traveling back and you kept it all to yourself.
Hey!
Eh? Nathaniel?
Hey!
Dad, please, can you calm down? I think it's just for a little while. He'll be back in less than 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Please.
What kind of joke is this?
Please. All these jokes are too expensive this morning. I can't take it. I just can't take it.
What kind of drama is this?
Hi.
You all connived to twist us around. Is that? Oh no. So, come rain, come shine. We are going to see it to the end.
Why not? Yes, Your Highness. I believe that.
Yes. No. There's something I want to ask you. Please, just tell me the truth. Since you started the lessons, my son, the prince, has he at any point in time told you that he would be returning to the States?
Your Highness, I don't understand. He didn't tell me such. Are you saying that he has traveled back?
He left this morning without telling anybody.
Your Highness, sorry if I may ask. Did you quarrel with him?
I didn't have any little misunderstanding with him, apart from the usual battle that we have been battling about his staying back or going back to the States.
Your Highness, see what I've been saying about these boys of nowadays. I am telling you, how can he go back without tying the nuptial knot with his betrothed? Seriously, Your Highness, if not that you are the one saying this, I would have said that it's coming from a lying machine. Yes.
No, I must have to tell you the truth. I have to tell you my heart. You are a disappointment to me. You are a failure to me. Yes, because I have seen it. Because I committed him into your hands confidently, believing that you will carry out my instructions. Now, have you seen it? What do you expect me to do now?
Your Highness, you know sometimes you don't get better with age. Please, pardon my flaws. Please.
Age is not responsible for this. You know what it took me to bring him back to Nigeria? You know. And everything in fact, I confided in you in everything I did about him. Yes.
Please, I'm sorry. Pardon me.
How are you sure you won't resort to finding an alternative when he finds out?
Mom, you worry too much. Before doing what I did, I already had it all mapped out.
He's the enemy of our kingdom. He's the enemy of the kingdom.
My husband.
Honey?
Please, how did it?
Oh. Honey, he claims not know anything about it.
Yes.
Why is everyone gathered here? Something wrong?
And where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
I took a walk, Dad.
You took a walk dressed like this?
Yes. I took a walk. I'll just go upstairs and freshen up.
I know you came back for your passport, and I have it here. You can't find it there in your room. And I know that is why you are back here. Nero. Nero, you are too small, very too small to play with the lion's tail. Yes.
And why are you looking at me that way? I already promised you that it will be confidential. Didn't I? Brutus!
Please.
Oh, go out there. I know you will see a cab or a taxi waiting for him, okay? Settle the bill and get his bag.
Okay, my prince.
This is the best time to take out the king, because I am very sure that the prince won't be needing the throne anymore. Oh no, you must act as fast as possible before the prince changes his mind to fully come back and possesses the throne. I have his number. From here, I will be throwing the measure of discouragement to him, and little by little, his mind will be shifted from this kingdom forever.
Nero. A stubborn fly goes to the grave with the cup. I warned you never to cross your limits. Now that you have stubbornly done it, I will show you the stuff I am made of.
Your Majesty, I can explain.
Explain what? No, explain what? When you are already at the verge of causing eternal disaster to the legacy our forefathers established decades ago, and you are explaining.
Father, I apologize, but I'm sure you know I have a lot of things to take care of.
Let me tell you, Nero, I sent you to the States to acquire knowledge and gain exposure. Return back home with whatever you have learned to benefit your people. I never sent you there to use it to plant your placenta. Never. Nero, because of this stupid act of yours, I am grounding you within the confines of the four walls of this palace. Yes, and I am stripping you of every honor you deserve as a prince. And your passport, keep away from this woman. Keep away from this. And I wouldn't like you to say a word to anybody. Yes, not a person. I am going to deal with your passport. It will remain with me until you regain your sense. Your sanity will come back into your head before I can release it. If you dare me, I will press one or two buttons to make sure you get travel back. I have spoken.
Your Majesty. My lord.
This is a royal life, a royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal love,
Your Majesty.
a royal heart.
My lord. My king. The decree over your son is a heavy burden on his shoulder.
If he knows very well that his aid cannot carry the flood he wished for, why did he dare? Why did he call for it?
Please, temper justice with mercy. He must have been influenced by the environment of the Western world.
Then I will forcefully teach him what he ought to know about respect. That is our tradition.
I plead with you to lighten up the burden a bit. This means not even the royal staff will have respect or regard for him.
Woman, if you want to lighten up the burden on him, you shouldn't be talking to me. Rather him! Talk to him!
Your Majesty, please.
A royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal love.
Your trick alone may not be able to keep the prince at bay for a long time. What then should I do? I suggest you travel to Ijebu-Ode, where you'll be able to turn away his interest and attention from the throne and the kingdom forever. And what if I decide to take out the three at a go? Good for you, but remember, you don't have to stain your hand with more than one royal blood. If you must do, choose a target target has always been the king.
Princess, you're here.
What are you doing here all alone?
Nothing, just staring.
Staring at what?
The air, the wall, the handwriting written boldly on the wall. I can see them. I can see them eyeball to eyeball. But it's fine. It's okay, no problem.
I understand how you feel. But I just want to let you know that you're not alone in this. Even my father, the king, is on your side. Okay? So when last did you hear from the prince?
Well, it's been 3 days. It's 3 days now since the king made a decree on him.
3 days? And you did not bother to check up on him?
I can't do that. Except I'm ordered to. I mean, I wouldn't want to do that and embarrass myself. I don't want to disgrace myself. I mean,
not anymore. This time is not about what he wants, but about what she wants.
I'm groomed to obey him. So.
I don't think so.
Who's it? Give me a minute.
I want to speak with you.
I'm not in the mood to speak to anyone.
Well, I'm here to talk with you.
I do not want to talk to you.
Gone are those days where I take every word that come out from your mouth or in the name of tradition. I want to speak with you. The deities bear me witness that I'm only here because of the decree placed on you by the king.
Vanessa, what do you want?
No. The question is narrow. What do you want from me? Because ever since you came back from the States, you've been tormenting me. What is this?
You should see the handwriting.
Oh, please. Please. Only a coward writes on the wall. Brave men speak out.
Vanessa, how dare you stand in front of me to talk? What the hell is wrong with you?
No, what the hell is wrong with you? Tell me. Because I need to know where I belong in your life. This is not the kind of life I want to live.
And this is the right way to find out?
Just look at you. Look at you. I mean, if not for your brother, you'd have run back to the States? Leaving me in the dark again? Really?
Okay. For your information, I'll be addressing the entire household soon. I'll advise you to be there, to listen to my speech, It's going to help you know where you belong. You'll seek the answers you find.
Fine.
This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love.
Your Highness.
Vanessa,
Yes, Your Highness.
is the priest in his room?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Vanessa, please remind me. I would love to talk with you when I'm done with him, okay?
Okay, Your Highness.
Yeah, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Oh na 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 na. It's a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal
Vanessa, what the hell do you want from me?
a royal love.
May I?
Mom, I'm sorry, I didn't know it was you.
We have something more pressing than this, your apology to me. I need you to go to your father and apologize to him. Be as emotional as you can so that he will reverse his decree on you.
Mom, I have something more than an apology to make.
What is it?
I want everyone to be present, including Vanessa, when I speak to my father.
I need to get a hint because I don't want you to go out there and goof about.
Mom,
You know
not to
your
worry.
dad.
Not to worry, I can take care of it.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh na 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 na. It's a royal love, a royal
I'm here to apologize.
a royal love.
What's been happening since I returned from you? I take the blame. From my heart, I sincerely apologize, and I promise not to cause any more chaos.
Well, son, your apologies are accepted if truly they are coming from your heart. Because I believe you know where my grievances are coming from.
I'm aware, Father. And I hope everything gets resolved.
Perfect. That's my boy.
Father, I must commend your leadership. Before I left for the US, I brought Vanessa into this family and I pleaded with you in particular to help groom her into the type of woman I want her to become. And also teach her the ways of royalty. And I must say I'm very, very impressed with what I have seen so far. It completely shows that the job was well done.
You're welcome, sir.
However, change is inevitable. Change is the only thing constant. Growth is what we all pray for. And each time a man attains growth, he begins to reason well. I know you might not understand what I'm about to say, and what I'm about to say might not be pleasant to the ears of everyone, but the truth has to be told. Vanessa is not the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Eh?
I am in love with someone else in the US, and I'm sorry I can't be with Vanessa.
Nero,
What is all this?
you are out of your mind. You must be out of your mind. No, you must be out of your mind. Just imagine. Imagine the madness. Now listen, Nero, I confine you to the four walls of this palace. Yes, but right now, I am confining you to the four walls of your room. Step out of that room any moment from now. You will know the color your father is made up of. Nonsense. Just imagine. How would I face the father of this girl that you have wasted all her time to tell me nonsense? Stop it.
We don't choose who to love. Love is kindness. Love is kindness. Love brings to a life. So when you are in love,
What kind of song is this? Eh?
oh yeah, yeah. Oh no.
Nero, stop.
Oh no.
What the hell is wrong with you? I'm on my way, excuse me.
Nero, you are a coward. A heartless coward.
Nathaniel, I understand.
No, you don't. Do you have feelings at all? How will you when you do not have a heart? Nero, this girl waited for you for so many years. Oh, you think she had no suitors coming, right?
Nathaniel, it is my life. Don't forget. I'm old enough to make decisions for myself. Not even you, father or mother, will choose a wife for me. I'll do that myself. Excuse me.
You know what? You will surely regret this. Yes, you will.
This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. A true love comes from the heart.
Nero. Where did I go wrong? What have I done to you? I had so many men asking for my hand in marriage, but I ignored them. Despite your attitude on me on the phone, I need you to tell me right now. What is my offense?
Vanessa, I totally understand how you feel. But please, I'm sorry. I don't mean to hurt you. But the truth is, you have nothing to worry about. You are a beautiful woman. The right person will come for you. Please.
Can you hear yourself talk? The right person will come for me. At what age? No, tell me, at what age? Do you know how old I am? I had men asking for my hand in marriage, but no! I ignored them just because of you. And you stand here to tell me men will come. But no problem. It's fine.
Vanessa, you...
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Vanessa.
He told you it is over and you accepted just like that?
Yes. I mean, what would you have me do? Should I force him?
Force him! Force yourself if you have to.
No, I won't do that. I'm tired. I'm tired of fighting. I'm tired. Please.
You are tired? After so many years? After all you put and invested in this relationship? And you just want to let him go? Just like that?
Yes. Just like that, so I can have my peace. Yes.
Vanessa, look into my eyes. Look into my eyes and tell me that you will find peace if I allow you to follow your fate. It's not possible. That would be lying to yourself. See, you have to deploy every means and tactics for you to win this battle.
No, please. No. It doesn't work that way. I'm tired. I just want peace. I don't want to fight anymore.
You don't have to give up. When I have not given up yet, fight for it.
He will not understand.
A true love comes from the heart. We don't choose whom to love. Love is kindness. Love is kindness. Love brings to a life. So when you are in love with the right person, you will feel at home. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Oh no 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 no. Oh na 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 na. It's a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love.
Your Highness, Her Majesty told me to ask if you need anything.
No, I don't.
It's all right, Your Highness.
Wait. Go downstairs and tell my father. I'd like to speak to him.
Okay, Your Highness. I shall convey your message to him.
Thank you.
A true love comes from the heart. Don't choose whom to love. Love is kindness. Love is kindness. Love brings to a life. So when you are in love with the right person, you will feel at home. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Brutus, is he okay?
Yes, yes.
Did he say he needs anything?
No, Your Highness.
Has he at least had breakfast?
I don't know. He asked me to tell him that he wants to seek his permission to speak with him.
Speak with him over what? It's okay, you may go.
Oh no,
I sense urgency in your voice, so I decided to drive down here.
you have done well. You're welcome. Sit down.
I hope all is well.
Yeah, oh no, all is well. How is your family?
Ah, they are doing well.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, Ono. Prince Nero demands your permission to allow him to speak with you.
Oh, it's all right. Tell him I'll be with him soon.
Okay, Your Highness.
Oh no.
Your Highness,
Yes.
did I hear him say? Does it mean that the prince is still around?
Oh yeah. It's around now. It's around.
But, Your Highness, the other day, I thought I heard you say that he has traveled back.
No, it's a long story. I will let you know.
So,
What is it you wanted to tell your father?
She released my passport. I need to go back to work.
Is that why you had the crucial meeting I wanted to have with No disrupted?
Father, it's very important I go back to America. Sick people need me. My colleagues are tired of covering for me.
Listen,
my license will be taken away from me if I do not go back.
Now listen, this kingdom is more sick than those ones sick over there that you want to go and see. Have you heard me clearly? These people need you, and you have their cure in your own hands.
Father, I beg of you, you need to let me go.
Please shut up. Shut up. Never you try it again to refer me to this kind of discussion again. Never you try it. The lady you want to leave behind, a betrothed lady to you, is more sick than those other people there. If you don't know it. And their hospital there is not the only hospital in America. There are so many other hospitals. Tell those who are assisting you there to refer them if they cannot continue to take care of them.
Father,
You are as stubborn as your father.
So finally, my dreams of becoming the queen of this kingdom someday is totally dead. No. I cannot go down without a fight. Nata is right. I will fight for what I have labored for over the years. It is time to stamp my feet on the ground and tell Prince that he must marry me whether he likes it or not. It is now a do-or-die affair.
How dare you barge into my room like that? What the hell is wrong with you?
The same way you barged into my life, destroyed it, and you want to go back to the States? Hell no.
Vanessa, I thought we talked about this.
You and do. You and do. My friend, you lie. Listen, we are just beginning. We are just beginning. What is all this? Eh? You came back, wasted my time. You are telling me you and do talk about what? You must be a liar. You're joking.
What do you want from me?
Fine. Tell the king to tell your people to come and see my people. That's what I want.
See your people? What the hell do you mean? See your people how? Why?
Nero, you know what to do. Listen, let me just tell you. I've been taking this your nonsense. I've been keeping this your nonsense away from my people, but I think it's time I let my dad know the rubbish that is going on.
Listen to me. Tell your people what exactly?
To come and marry me.
Marry you?
Yes.
But I told you I have someone else I want to get married to. I said that to you. I am in a relationship.
You must be sick. You must be sick for saying that. Oh, you think you can waste my time all these years? You came back from nowhere and be telling me the rubbish, blah, blah, blah. You have someone you want to get married to. You must be sick. Listen, this marriage is by fire, by force. You must marry me, whether you like it or not.
Okay, you said you want to tell your father what?
That you have been denying yourself to do the rightful thing, to come and marry me.
Vanessa, that's where the problem lies. We don't love each other. We do not. I can't marry you. Listen, for your information, our parents want us to get married for their own selfish reasons. Don't you understand?
You must be sick! Listen, my parents never forced your parents to groom me for you. Get that into your thick skull.
What? 'Cause 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 'Cause
Majesty, our son is getting depressed by the day.
Only he deserves it. Yes. He chose it for himself. So what are you talking about? Wait. Now tell me, how do I stand before the father of Vanessa to tell him that we wasted his precious daughter? We wasted her time for nothing. Is that what you want me to do? I won't bear that shame. I won't.
I thought so too.
Good.
But Your Majesty, even if you choose to seize his international passport, at least give him freedom to walk around and exercise himself.
Listen, honey, there is no pleasure in imprisonment. Let him suffer it. Let him suffer it, at least to know something tomorrow.
The person in question is your blood.
And that is exactly why he should be there. Oh, you think I am mad? Is that right? Oh, I should go ahead and imprison other people's children or restrict their movements. It is impossible. Listen, if he really wants to be free, let him correct his senses. Bring his senses together. If truly he must experience freedom of movement, go and tell him that I said so. Nonsense.
Your Majesty, please. Please, Your Majesty. Oh, my son.
This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. A true love comes from the heart. Oh. We don't choose who to love.
Oh, no.
My king.
I want to confidentially count on you. Do not fail me this time. Do not fail me again.
May the gods not fail us.
No. Even if it means death, as a threat, use death. As long as it will reset my son's brain.
My king. But we took oath of office. Oath of allegiance. We are not to tell lies.
No. If telling lies will salvage a nation, will salvage a kingdom, will salvage our people, it does not matter. Tell lies. Oh, no, I want you to let my son know the truth. But you can add some things to make him believe you. Let me tell you, you need to make my son realize what he stands to gain if he marries Vanessa. Let him know that this is a girl that has been groomed for him all this while, even before he traveled overseas. Tell him the implication of him failing to get married to that young girl, that the repercussion is death.
How is things going?
Well, he finally broke the long silence.
Are his parents aware?
Yes, they are. Everybody's aware. Even the man in that palace. Everybody knows about it.
Oh, this must be tough on you. So, what are they saying?
What do they think? They're all my
Good news. Good news. So, what's your plan?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no, 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 no.
I'm sorry for barging in talk.
It's okay. That's fine. Please sit.
Thanks. And I'm also sorry for being a coward. I've made up my mind to take what is mine. Mary is mine. And he belongs to me alone. Nobody can take him away from me.
Are you serious? Wow. This is good. Come on, say that again.
Neri is mine, and nobody can take him away from me.
Vanessa, say it again.
Neri is mine, and nobody can take him away from me.
Beautiful. See, you know what? I will fight with you, all right? We're in this battle together. And I will make sure that no other woman will get closer to him. I promise. Come here, this is the best news.
Thank you, sir. Partner, right?
Yeah, partner.
What's this segment?
My princess, it's not what my princess. My princess. My princess. My princess. My princess. Please, can you wait, please? It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
So this is how I'm so disappointed in you.
No, I can explain.
You can explain what? Eh? That I went into my brother's room only for me to find you there, Vanessa.
Please. Like I said, I can explain, please. It's not what you think, I promise you. Okay? Please.
So you're such a terrible person. Yes. You have it in mind to be, you're fighting what we'll be fighting without even involving me.
Are you serious? Okay, please, can we now make our plans now? I will involve you now, so let's plan it now. Please.
It's fine. We'll have to get my pushing.
Oh, so are you serious? You make me feel like you're angry with me and you're not. Thanks for your understanding. Thank you. Thank you. I could never had asked for another brother than you. You're such a sweet soul.
I have suddenly become an enemy to everyone I once loved. The only person who supports me now is the Onowu. He understands my pain. But the truth is, I can't even go to him because he will be disappointed at me. After all his advice. ignored them. I did not listen to him. But this is strange. He seemed not to care if I ascend the throne or not. He made it very clear that if I am not interested in the throne, that my brother will become king. But how is that even possible?
I think the best thing right now is for you to talk to Dad, so he can lift the ban placed on him.
Yeah, I think my brother is right. And before you go meet Dad, I would advise you go to Big Brother's room, talk to him, tell him your intentions, so he can understand he wasn't set free by his own efforts, rather yours.
Okay, that's a good one then. So after that, what's next?
Like I said, the first thing is to talk to Dad first. Then from there, we'll know the next step.
Okay. And I'm confused because I don't even know what to say to the king. On what ground will I ask the king to release him?
Nothing more. He just needs his freedom. All right? But we have to make sure that Dad shouldn't release his passport to him.
God. Okay.
You know what? We are assuring you this. My brother will love you again.
Big bro, love isn't enough. If he needs his passport, he should do the needful.
Yes, he should do the needful. Yes.
Okay, you know what? For him to get his freedom, just tell Dad that you want to start planning your future ahead with him, not minding how he feels.
Yes, this is a good one. Now you have given me the right reason to talk to the king. You are such a genius.
Just
No, and you too.
Look at this one.
All right, so I'll just talk to the king and say,
What do you want?
I want to go and see your father.
And how's that my business?
I want to go and ask him for a favor. I want him to denounce the pronouncement he made against you.
I beg your pardon. Why are you doing that for me?
Because I'm doing this because not when you are released, you start bragging that it's your effort. And also, I want him to release you so that we can start our marriage plans.
What marriage plans are you talking about?
This one. You're still forming Jagaban for me. If you like, don't cooperate. Don't cooperate, you will roast in your confinement. Okay? Don't cooperate.
Wait. I have a message from my father.
We're getting somewhere. I'm listening. Your Majesty, what is it this time?
I just received a call from Ono.
What did he say?
that the people of Ahabubu have started encroaching into our territories again.
Again?
Yes.
But I thought everything has been settled. Why are they fomenting trouble?
I don't know. Well, I think I know what to do. I will invite their king for a meeting again. Let me know what his problem is. What kind of thing is this?
Your Majesty,
Be
not this
careful
time.
what you do, cause what goes around will surely come back around.
Okao, man, this is the perfect timing. Very soon, your reign will come to an end, and I will take my rightful place as the next king of this kingdom. I am the Ono, the kingmaker. Peradventure, the prince changes his mind towards becoming the next king. I will make him do what will disqualify him from being crowned.
Be careful where you go. Be careful.
And if he insists, I will wipe out every living thing, male and female, from his family. I will put an end to this lineage.
Your Majesty, you have to be very careful about this whole thing so that it won't lead to another communal clash between us again.
Your Majesty,
Yes, my darling, you're welcome.
the one who smiles brightens the mountain top. The eyes of the people. At your presence, birds, wings, and all form of nature rejoice because of what you have done for the kingdom.
You silence words in my mouth. Wow. But if I may ask, what is it that I have brought to the people that would make the people sing praises to the king?
You have brought joy, peace, and hope to the people. Please, Your Majesty, pardon the mannerless heart that is beclouded by its enthusiasm. Your Highness, flower to our king. The breast that feeds this kingdom. I greet you, Your Highness.
Greetings to you, my darling. I can see your face beaming with smiles. I sense butterfly in your stomach.
Yes. And how would I repay you for all these sweet and heart-soothing words? Upon all odds, you have brightened my day. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty,
Yes.
I beseech you to please release the degree you place upon my husband to be. Please, Your Majesty.
When he's ready, okay? When he's ready.
Your Majesty, I will make sure he's ready. You can count on me on that.
With reasons?
Oh, Your Majesty, there's no time. Time is not on our side. We have to start preparing for our marriage.
It's all right. You may go, okay? Yet I need a second thought over that, okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty. I will await your reply, Your Majesty.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Yes.
He wishes to speak with you.
Okay. Right. When I'm ready. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Can you imagine? Very poetic.
Oh no 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 no.
I heard you want to speak with the king.
Yes.
I will not allow it. Not until I hear what you want to say. And if I approve of it, then I'll schedule a meeting between you and your father.
Well, can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead. But relevant also.
What happens if I refuse to be king?
What? Is that what you wanted to ask your father?
Yes.
Have you gone mad? Are you cursed?
Mom, listen to me.
What is wrong with you?
I'm not saying I won't be king in the future. I just want to know the consequences if I refuse to be king.
You will totally close down the royal lineage.
Okay. What happens if I give my brother the opportunity to be king? Yeah.
Never in the history of royalty that an elder bows before the younger one. It's a taboo, automatically.
Okay. So the question is, if Nathaniel cannot be king, and I equally refuse to be king, what happens?
You're beginning to scare me now. Now, automatically, the royal mantle will move from our family to Unobu's family. Yes, because he is the first son of his late father. He automatically becomes the king. Is that what you want? Is anything the matter?
No. Vanessa, I want to say thank you for everything, especially for convincing my father to calm down and also retrieving my passport.
You're welcome. I mean, now you've seen the power of a woman.
That's right. So what's next?
Oh, I've been able to convince the king, so we should be preparing for our marriage. Yes.
Vanessa,
Yes, baby.
I also must commend your efforts towards ensuring that this relationship works. I mean, all the while I was away, you put in a lot of energy, you sacrificed time, money to ensure that we are together. I want to say thank you so much, and I really appreciate it.
Come on, you don't have to say that. Anything for you, baby.
But
Anything for you.
But I'm sorry. I'm sorry that we can't be together. Yes, I mean, a relationship without love is pointless. It's baseless. Doesn't make sense. We don't feel anything for each other.
Oh, please, just stop it. Who is we? I feel something for you. Don't even say that. Don't even try it. You don't feel anything for me.
I'm just trying to explain.
You know what? You're the worst thing that has ever happened to me.
Okay, just
But no
relax.
problem. It's fine.
I wanted to talk to you.
Please.
Vanessa, listen. Let's talk, okay? Let's just.
My king.
I would like you to send emissaries to the king of Ahaboko Kingdom, informing him of our coming to see him.
Your Highness.
Yes.
Since all this issue has been going, you've not bothered to ask where the boundaries are.
Look, no, it is because of my faith in you. I have total confidence in you. What are you talking about?
Your Highness, yes, I'm aware. You will be having meeting with their king tomorrow. Knowing where the boundaries are will help you to be articulate and be specific.
Yes, you are right. But then you have to send emissaries to him. So when we get his reply, we know what to say before we meet.
Your Highness, I will do as you have instructed. But why not we use send tomorrow to see the boundary?
The enemy of the palace, the enemy of the kingdom, see him coming. He's going around destroying things. He's going around causing confusion. He's going around.
What if I am wrong? What if my fears do not exist?
Son? You are here. What about Vanessa? I thought the both of you were outside.
She stepped in to pick up something.
Okay. It's all right. It's okay.
Father.
Yes, my son.
Why was the Honorable here?
No. Son, really, this is something you are supposed to know. You know, we've been having series of clashes with the people of Ahaboku. Yes. This time around, it is intensified and is becoming worse.
Is there a solution to this problem?
Yeah, I am making plans to meet with their king. But before then, I want to go with Ono, my second in command, to the land to see if I can make some adjustments, even if it is to their own favor. Even if they call it winning, let them win and let there be peace.
Father, did you say you're going with the Ono?
Yes. Is there any problem about that?
Not at all. Not.
It's okay, son. It's all right.
You mean he said all this to you? Yes. You know what? Nero must pay for this.
Please. 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 Please don't go and fight him. Just let it go, please.
Brother, I think she has a point. There's no need of fighting. I think what he wants is, he wants Dad to ban him again. And this time around, it won't be funny. I trust Dad. So just calm down.
Vanessa, you know what? Some people have eyes, but they can't see. You are a gold, a precious one. Do not allow any man to talk down on you. Alright? You are a pride to a husband. And trust me, I will make my brother to realize that. But if he doesn't, I will force him. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
will put the blame of your death on the head of the people of Ohauku. Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, Your Majesty. The heir apparent to the throne of Umuzoa, I greet you.
The great Prime Minister of Umuzoa Kingdom. I greet you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your Majesty, aren't you going with your royal guards?
Oh, no, my queen. We do where things are. We want to go on a low key, unannounced.
My queen, see why I call him the wise one.
My king, please.
Yes.
Permit me to be your driver today. Just for today.
Why would you ask me for permission? It is already arranged.
Yes, I know, but I'm only trying to put it to the hearing of my queen and my prince.
Let's go.
Okay.
My prince, my queen, take care of the house.
Why is he so excited?
I have no idea. Your kingdom?
Be careful what you do.
Right.
This side is part of our own side. Yes, this is our side. You understand? Initially, the old boundary was here. So let me show you the new boundary. So, all these places now belongs to us.
Yes.
They now belongs to us. So this is what you need. You remember this tree now?
Yes.
I
remember this.
It belongs to us. You understand?
Yeah.
Then you look at that tree. That tree, are you seeing it?
That tall tree.
That is the new one. You understand what I mean now?
Yes.
That is the new one.
Oh, no. What's the meaning of this?
My king, today ends your reign.
No, stop it. Stop it. No, I have been staying in confidence with you. I have never failed you. Oh no, anything you asked for, I have always done it for you. Why are you doing this?
Keep quiet. I said, shut up.
Hey, but no, it's me. Oh.
Your lineage has been so greedy. Why are they giving birth to male children? Why? Giving birth to male children, why?
Is it not the gods? It's the gods that give us children.
Today that brought you.
Hey, oh no, please.
My great-grandfather failed. My grandfather too. But I made a promise to my father that I must reclaim this mantle. It must come to our lineage.
No, take the mantle, please.
Not like that. After killing you, no, I am heading back to your family. I will wipe up your children.
No, please now. Please forgive me.
Come back around.
Yes. Son, I'm okay. Your Majesty. It's my son. Did he hurt you? No, I'm okay.
Be careful who you trust. Be careful who you trust. Be careful where you go. Be careful what you do.
I began to suspect him when he kept telling me to go back to the U. I found that very strange. And when I asked my mother who becomes king if I decide to reject the throne, and she says him. that's when I realized the entire situation.
Well, son, thank you so much for the son of the light. I thank God for your interjection. All this while, I never knew I was whining and dining with the devil himself. Never knew actually I was dining and whining with the devil himself.
What is going on here?
Vanessa, please, don't do this.
What is it?
Mom, you have to stop her. She's leaving because of this thing you call a son.
Vanessa.
I just have to go. He doesn't want me. He doesn't love me. I just have to go. What am I doing here? I'm not needed here. I'm not wanted here. Let me go.
But we love you, don't we?
Yes, I know that. And I appreciate every little thing you have done for me. But pressing forward is the medicine to life. When you fail, you keep pressing. You keep pressing forward. Right now, it's not working. I need to move on with my life.
How could you take such an uneasy decision without my consent, Vanessa? Why?
I'm sorry, my king. I didn't just take this decision right now. But I knew it. I knew it ever since I was speaking with him on phone. I knew he doesn't want me. But my quest of being the queen kept me pressing on. But right now, it's obvious he doesn't want me, like he said. When there's no love, there's no point. There's no point going on. A relationship without love is useless. So please, let me just go with my shame and face my life.
Vanessa! Vanessa, please come back.
We don't choose who to love. Love is kindness.
Dad!
Love is kindness.
You have to use your authority as the king and talk to her, Dad!
When you love the right person, you will feel at home. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Oh na 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 na. It's a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love.
Vanessa! Vanessa! Please, don't go, please.
And what will I be doing here?
Because I love you. Okay, fine. I just have to open up. Vanessa, ever since you stepped your feet into this palace, I have always wished you were mine. But I couldn't say it. I couldn't open up to you because you were betrothed to my brother here. But right now, I am not ashamed. I am not afraid to say it in front of everybody. I love you, Vanessa. I love you.
A true love comes from the heart. We don't choose whom to love.
Being the queen of this kingdom does not befit you.
Love brings to a life.
Being the queen of my heart,
when you in love with the right person,
it's you, Lord.
you will
Vanessa,
feel at
please.
home. Oh, yeah.
I love you. And I won't let you go. Stay.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh no, 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 no.
My king.
Oh no, 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 no.
I also have a confession to make. It is Natty, Prince Natty that my heart beats for. Yes. You've always been there for me. And I love you too.
Yeah.
Yes, I love you
oh,
too.
No. Oh no, no. It's a royal love, a royal heart, a royal love. This is a royal love, a royal heart,
royal love.
Nathaniel, I want to say big congratulations to you and Vanessa. I'm excited for your new love life. I'm also excited that you and Vanessa are on the same page. I wish you all the best, and I want you to take good care of her.
Sure. Just like they say, every disappointment is a blessing. Thank you so much for bringing Vanessa into my life. In fact, you've given me the best gift of my life.
You're welcome. It's fine. I promise to take good care of her.
Sure, I will do.
All right. Father, thank you so much for everything. And I'd like to inform you that I'll be going back to the States as soon as possible to finish up with what I left behind and also make the proper arrangements to bring back my fiancée so that the coronation can take place.
Son, you have spoken well. I appreciate you too. You have always proven to be the son of a lion. Yes. Well, you have my blessings. Your going and coming from the States shall be a blessing, and it shall be safe.
Thank you, Father.
And I wanted to pray for you that it shall go with you.
Sure.